Friends, today I'm going to show you how to launch Codespace for your GitHub repository. So first we need to log in into our GitHub, and then after create a new repository like testing. I'm just giving the name of the testing and just create repository, and now create a new file in this repository. Okay, click on commit changes, and then go back to our GitHub repository and click on code button, and then after click on create a code space on main, because we are using the main branch. So it will setting up our code space. Just wait a little bit. It's just preparing environment. Yeah, it's just loading the extensions, and this is our file which we are created. Now I'm writing Python basic hello to Python program. And control save. Now it's setting up your environment. Okay, 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 auto detect. Okay, now just click on this run button. Yeah, our program is successfully run. And if you want to made changes in our repository, just write some comment. I'm just writing the commit and click on the commit button and sync with changes, and your file is updated with this line of code. Ask me later. Okay, so this is the, and if you want to close your instance, then go back to your GitHub repository and click on Codespace, and here our instance is running. So this is our instance. Okay, this is our instance. Click on delete. If you want to delete your instance, delete. Now your instance deleted, and this is one more instance which are running, so I don't want to close this. So yeah, this is the way you can use Codespace in a GitHub. Thank you.